Unraveling the mystery of four-way electrical switches. Imagine entering a long hallway, lights off, and switches at both ends. Now, add another in the middle, that's a four-way switch. At the heart of this system are three switches controlling one light. Two three-way switches, and one four-way switch. The three-way switches at either end have a simple job. They connect or disconnect the light to the power source, but the four-way switch is the game changer. The four-way switch has 4 terminals. It doesn't turn the electricity on or off but redirects the flow between the three-way switches. Think of it as a railway switchyard. Depending on its position, it directs the train, or electricity, down different tracks. When you flip the switch, it swaps the incoming and outgoing paths of electricity. This allows control from multiple locations. Thus, a four-way switch adds convenience and functionality, illuminating your path no matter where you are in the hallway. In this basic four-way light circuit, 3-wire cable runs between all the switches, and 2-wire cable runs from the last switch to the light. The electrical source is at the first three-way switch, and the hot wire connects to the common there. The circuit neutral is spliced at each switch box through to the light fixture, using the white wire. The black and red wires running between the boxes are connected to the travelers on each switch. The common terminal on the three-way switch at the end of the circuit connects to the black wire running to the hot terminal on the light. Take note that the traveler wires from switch number 1 are connected to the T1 pair on the four-way switch, and the travelers going to switch number 2 are connected to the T2 pair. Each pair of traveler terminals on the four-way must be connected to only one three-way switch. Don't mix up the pairs or the circuit will not work properly. Here, 2 four-way and 2 three-way switches are used to control lights from 4 different locations. The 2 four-ways are located between the 2 three-ways, and the traveler wires run from switch number 1 to T1 on the first four-way. T2 from that switch is wired to T1 on the second four-way, and T2 connects to the travelers on switch number 2. The source is at switch number 1 and the hot wire is connected to the common terminal. 3-wire cable runs between all switches, and 2-wire cable runs from the last switch to the light fixture. The black and red wires running between the switches are all used as travelers in this arrangement. The white neutral wire from the source is spliced at each switch box to run it through to the neutral on the light fixture. The black wire from switch number 2 is used to connect the common terminal to the hot terminal on the light fixture. The wiring diagram here illustrates the use of multiple four-way switches, located between 2 three-way switches, to control lights from 5 locations. As the title screen of this video suggests, this is the 10th installment of my DIY house circuit layout and connection series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand and manage your home's electrical system safely and efficiently. By the end of this series, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to tackle your own electrical projects and ensure that your home's electrical system is running smoothly. Future topics to be covered will include panel wiring. Learn how to properly wire your electrical panel, including identifying circuits, connecting breakers, and ensuring proper grounding. Receptacle connections. Understand the wiring and installation of duplex receptacles, GFCI receptacles for added safety, and AFCIs to protect against electrical fires. Appliance receptacles. Discover how to wire 20 amp, 30 amp, and 50 amp 240 volt appliance receptacles for various household appliances. Light switch wiring. Master the basics of wiring light switches, including single pole, 3-way, and 4-way switch configurations for controlling lighting throughout your home. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where I dive deeper into each of these topics, providing step-by-step instructions, safety tips, and troubleshooting advice to help you successfully complete your DIY electrical projects. Don't miss out on future installments of my do-it-yourself house circuit layout and connection series and empower yourself to take control of your home's electrical system. Stay tuned to this site, as I will be providing more information on electrical installations. In the meantime, take advantage of the availability of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets, if you haven't already downloading them. The formulas and information there can be used for everything electrical, especially when viewing my courses. Simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/47 uppercase y uppercase b 3 lowercase v lowercase h. You can directly access my StanStore courses at this website. https:// lowercase stan dot store uppercase G, uppercase V, uppercase B. This is the end of this video.